3D Max. What is 3D Max Design and 3D Max role? 3D Max Design software application is a thorough 3D layout, modeling, animation, and providing solutions for architects, developers, civil engineers, and also visualization specialists. 3D Max is an extremely popular program for developing 3D computer animation. It's an excellent area to begin for beginners because it's reasonably easy to find out and there are lots of tutorials out there to assist you to start. It is used in the computer game sector for producing 3D personality models, game assets, as well as animations. With reliable operations as well as powerful modeling devices, 3ds Max can conserve video game musicians a substantial amount of time. AutoCAD 3D is a non-parametric device. A beginner's software application. 3ds Max is parametric. You can tailor versions, with outstanding rendering capacities like VRE. 3ds Max is utilized in the computer game market for producing 3D character designs, game possessions, as well as animations. 3ds Max layout software application is an extensive 3D layout, modeling, animation, and making remedy for engineers, designers, civil engineers, and also visualization specialists. 3D Max is a 3D modeling, animation, and rendering software program developed and also created for games and style visualization. The program is included in the collection of media and also enjoyment software products supplied by Autodesk. It is likewise a part of Autodesk's architecture, design, as well as building and construction collection, as well as one of the tools in item design and manufacturing collection. About 3D Max training certification. The 3D Max course for engineers, architects will help students as well as specialists to learn as well as master 3ds Max software devices. The candidates will also find out the essentials of 3D modeling as well as texturing in addition to 3D rendering. In general, the course will certainly assist the trainees to understand the software and also enhance their productivity. An effective training course will increase the productivity as well as the performance of the person. Generally, the program will certainly help the students grasp the software and enhance their performance. Significance of 3D Max training in 2021. Accreditation in 3D Max software demonstrates your capacities in one of the most demanding creative jobs in the marketplace today. Digital artists and teachers alike will benefit from the Autodesk accreditation procedure, as qualifications will help you get confidence with workshops as well as colleges. This course will certainly aid you to get ready for your qualification assessments by exposing you to the topics and materials on which you might be examined. The class will cover subjects such as modeling, video cameras, scene management, materials, rigging, interoperability, and also computer animation, with an emphasis on workflow. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for 3D Max training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best 3D Max training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for 3ds Max training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/